Hi, hello, welcome to BS Sensible. Today I am going to tell about nervous system. Nervous system, the five senses signs like smell, taste, touch, and hearing stimulate the receptors inside the body. The stimuli generates rapid impulses that travel to the brain for interpretation. At the end of the session, you will be able to describe the nervous system. The structure and functions of neuron, synapse, spinal cord and the brain. Let's take an example of touch and see how these impulses reach the brain for interpretation. Touching an object stimulates the receptors under the skin. The stimuli generates rapid impulses that can travel through the neurons to the brain for interpretation. Neurons are these specialized cells present in all over the body. A typical neuron consists of a cell body, dendrites and an axon. Stimulus for the external environment creates an action potential in the neuron. Action potential are the simple electrical current that travels through the axon and reaches the synapse. Synapse is the junction between the two neurons. The signal must traverse the synapse to continue on its path through the nervous system. When the signal reaches the end of axon on chemical called neurotransmitters are released into the synapse. When the calcium ion rush in a chemical called neurotransmitter is released into synapse, neurotransmitter moves across the synapse and binds to the receptors on the photosynapse on the membrane of the next neuron. Likewise, the impulses travel till the synapse spinal cord through these sensors. Neurons spinal cord is a long, thin, tubular bundle of the flows connecting the brain and peripheral nervous system. Spinal cord facilitates the transmission of sensory and motor nerve impulses to and from the brain. Brain is a concentration of nerve tissue. This complex of organ can be broken down into three main sections: the forebrain, the midbrain and the hindbrain. The largest part of the human brain is this cerebra and is divided into two: left hemisphere, right hemisphere. The left hemisphere that controls the right part of the body and the right hemisphere which controls the left side of the body. The areas associated with speech, numerical skills, writing, reasoning and analysis are located in the dominant left hemisphere. Right hemisphere associated with imagination, musical ability and artistic expressions. The thalamus acts as relay between a variety of soft cortical areas, and the cerebral cortex also plays an important role in regulating states of sleep and wakefulness. Hypothalamus is the important control center for hunger, thirsty, body temperature, blood pressure and so on. The cerebellum helps to provide balanced and coordinated body movement. The palms freely signal from the forebrain to cerebellum, which deals primarily with respiration, bladder control, eye movement and facial expressions, etc. The medulla transits all signals between the spinal cord and the higher parts of the brain. Hence, the brain analyzes the sensors impulses from the environment, interpret and respond to those stimuli appropriately. These stimuli reach the muscles or glands through the motor neurons for a coordinated action. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe, share, like and press the bell icon. Thank you.